Struggling with stubborn belly fat in your midlife, you're not alone. I have been there. Imagine in the morning when you wake up, feel energized, more confident, healthy, and ready to take on the day no matter your age. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share simple, proven strategies to help you trim the waistline and improve your vitality. From tailored workouts and smart nutrition tips to lifestyle tweaks that actually work, this video is your blueprint for a healthier, happier you. Say goodbye to fat diet and endless frustration. It's time to reclaim your body and your life. Ready to transform your belly and your overall well-being? Let's get started. Losing belly fat after 50 requires a combination of dietary changes, exercise, and lifestyle adjustments. Here is an effective approach. Number 1, you need to optimize your diet. Prioritize protein like lean meat, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy. Help maintain muscle mass and boost metabolism. Then reduce processed carbs and sugar. Then eat more fiber. Then control portions and mindful eating. Eating slowly and avoid overeating, especially in the evening. Then number 2, exercise regularly. Strength training 2 to 3 times per week. Lifting weight or resistance training prevent muscles loss and boosts metabolism. Cardio works out 3 to 5 times per week, like walking, cycling, swimming, or jogging, help burn fat. Then high-intensity interval training, short bursts of intense exercise improve fat loss. Then core exercises, planks, crunches, and twists strengthen abdominal muscles. Then number 3, manage stress and sleep. This one very important, and because it can lower cortisol levels, like chronic stress leads to belly fat storage. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or yoga, and improve sleep quality. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that regulate appetite and fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night sleep. And number 4, stay hydrated and limited alcohol drinking. Drinking water, cut down on alcohol. Number 5, consistency is key. Losing belly fat takes time. Focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fix. Then tracks progress, stay active, and maintain a balanced diet to see lasting results.